What's going on, Dodge Ram owners? I want to show y'all a quick little tip that I got here to get your AC working properly. Alright, so what we did, this dog had the bright idea to take off the glove box, open it up down here, and see that shifter right back here. You may just have to feel it. Yours may be a little different. Push that all the way back. If you push it all the way back, that's going to be code. Right there, my vent door was messed up. So now we're chilling and cheap rolling, free fix. So if you like this kind of content, please like, subscribe, and share it.